This is a document, and I'm going to define the following index. And those are going to be the results of this index. So we're going to, this is actually how it looks like, sort of, when we are actually saving that to the index store. RavenDB uses Lucene. Anyone here knows Lucene? Okay. Lucene is Google in a DLL. That's the easiest way to think about it. It's a full text search engine that comes as a single DLL that RavenDB completely wraps and abstracts for you and manages completely. So you have a document, you define the indexing function, and we write it to Lucene, and then all of the queries are actually going to happen on Lucene itself. Questions?
So the index itself is Lucene?
Yes. So the index itself, come little guy. Here we go. Let's look at this one. It's probably more interesting. No. So I'm going to open a tool called Look. And Look is a Lucene index viewer tool, which I would be very happy if we could actually download. So this is the Lucene index. And here you can see the documents. You can also see how we make a search and we get the results back. And you see that we have document ID in here. Questions? So this is Lucene. Yeah.
So what exactly is the relation between indexing and Lucene? I mean, does it?
The indexes are, the index is defined as this guy. This is the indexing function. It operates over these guys, the documents. The output of the indexing function goes into the Lucene index.
I mean, you said Lucene is like a search engine.
Yes.
So isn't Lucene just something that searches through the documents?
No. It searches through the projection that we gave it through the documents. So the easiest way to think about it, the output of this thing goes into an index, and we can search over the output of this guy. Okay? That's the way that it works. That's the easiest way of thinking about this. More questions? Wonderful. Okay. So the next topic is how to map collections. This is the easiest way of mapping the collections. This produces a Cartesian product between the docs and its tags. Given this thing, how many documents will I get back if I search for documents whose title is second? Stupid smart quotes. Okay. That's interesting. Test. Raven entity name. It belongs to the group. I'm missing something? Sorry? Yes, I'm missing something. I disabled the indexing. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Yeah, if you... Okay, so now let's just delete this one. Okay, so I'm actually going to do this indexes slash test slash title. Now this is interesting. Look at what we have. We get just one document back. But I'm pretty sure, you know what? Let's look at this way. I'm going to now if I'm going to look at this index, you know what, let's just do it like this. Raven.server. Okay, so now, if I'm looking at this, you can see that I don't get a lot from this guy. This is because, by default, this is how this is configured. Don't store that, and we don't want to store because that increases the size of the index. And add field. In this case, we do want to store mostly because I actually want to show you the actual raw index input. You see how this works? We have title first, title first, title first. If we execute the search here, come on. We actually get 3 results. How come here we get only 1? Anyone? This is actually quite interesting. We have 3 results for this index, for this query. What about this one? We skip 2. We skip 2 because both of them represent the same document. There's no need to return it again. We already matched this document. So if we want to do paging on this index, what must we do? So I want to start. What? Why did he do that? I skipped the first result. Here is the first result. I skip it. I'm still on test number 1. It actually told me that in here. You want to skip it? You need to skip to 2. You need to skip 1 plus 2, which means 3. Now you skipped all of us.